Powers of matrices. When a number is raised to a power, this indicates repeated multiplication. For example, we know that 3 squared means 3 times 3, and 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3, and perhaps we should just point out here that we could also do that as 3 squared times 3, or as 3 times 3 squared, and you should know this. The same is true for matrices, so that a squared means a times a cubed means a times a times a, and just as with numbers, we could do that as a squared times a, or as a times a squared. We can only find powers of square matrices. Remember, to multiply two matrices, we have to have the same number of columns in the first matrix as the number of rows in the second matrix. So in order for this to work with powers, it will only work if the number of rows and columns are the same in the original matrix that we start with. So it has to be a square matrix, such as a 2 by 2 matrix or a 3 by 3 matrix, and so on. This is not difficult to explain, and indeed I just did, but it's such an important point that I want to just go through this again. If we're multiplying together two general matrices, then we know the two middle numbers have to be the same. Now if we're squaring a matrix, clearly it's the same matrix on the left and the right. So if this one is m by n, then this one is also m by n because it's the same matrix. The middle numbers have to be the same, and that tells us that m is equal to n. So if m and n are equal, then it's a square matrix.